Hey, it's Tech Boy here, and I have a new review for you guys. If you noticed over the holiday season, there have been certain things that were on sale, especially on Black Friday, like this 808 Thump Bluetooth wireless speaker. And I picked one of these up, and this is my review on it. So, it's pretty simple packaging, high quality sound, 4 to 6 hours battery life, has a rechargeable battery, auxiliary input, even a 1-year limited warranty. So that's not bad. The maker is actually RCA, Radio Corporation of America, which is owned by that company, and they own some other pretty good brands. So, let's get into the speaker. Seen the packaging. And I'll do a sound test as well, so you guys can hear what it sounds like, but right now I'm just unboxing it real fast. So, it's pretty compact packaging. In here you get the charging cable and all the paperwork. And it's just pretty simple paperwork, shows you how to use it, and all that. Oh, it's upside down, there we go. Just shows you how to use it and all that good stuff. So, let's get to the speaker, the reason you're watching this video. Okay, here is the speaker. It's made of plastic, complete plastic, and it's actually really good quality plastic. Like, this could handle being thrown around. And there's not a lot of Bluetooth speakers that can say that. But it's very high quality plastic. Has a foam bottom, and there's the power button, and there is the Bluetooth button. So there's the speaker in there, and it has a pretty nice design. It kind of looks cool. The name is cool, 808 bass and all that. So let's power it on. Makes that sound. Let's connect the Bluetooth. That's it, looking for Bluetooth signal. Turn my Bluetooth on. Connect. It's connecting. And on. There you go, it's connected. So it's pretty easy to hook up, and I just used an iPhone to hook up the Bluetooth. And the connection is pretty far. It's up to 30 feet, supposedly. And I walked away, I think it was about 30 feet, so they're not lying there. Let's play some music and test this thing out. It gets pretty loud, I will say that. Sound quality, not the best. I mean, for its size, it's okay. It's about the size, fits in the palm of your hand. What do you expect? Not a lot. But from the name 808, you expect bass. So it sort of delivers. It's nothing special. It just gets loud, and for something very portable, it works great, and for the deal you get. So let's play some music. It makes that an annoying little buzzing sound. I don't know if it's the Bluetooth or the speaker. There we go, some bass. So the sound quality of this little speaker is not bad. The build quality is, I will say, amazing. Even though this kind of concerns me that stuff will drop into there and kind of mess up the speaker. That is a possibility of these large holes. But it's a pretty solid speaker, and it's a pretty good deal. You can find it on Amazon.com. Click the link below and get this on Amazon.com, a special deal through that link below from me. So I think this is a pretty good speaker. It's not exceptional. If you want better sound quality, spend more money. But if you want something portable and something affordable, go ahead and get this. So I'm Tech Boy, and I come out with reviews all the time, and if you want more reviews, just click the subscribe button. Alright, thanks for watching.